quinoa breakfast porridge. So this is a good little recipe to make in the morning if you are gluten intolerant, because the quinoa flakes replace the oats. So I'll walk you through how to make this one. So what you'll need to start is I'm using the vanilla Happy Way protein powder. You can also use the vegan vanilla, whatever you prefer. I've got half a cup of berries here, so it's just mixed berries. I'm using frozen berries, you can also use fresh. And then I've got half a cup of the quinoa flakes. So you can just grab them in your local grocery store in the health food aisle. I'm going to use a sprinkle of cinnamon, half a cup of milk, and I've got about 200 mils of water here. So a good little trick is to, before you make the oats and pop everything in the pot, is to first mix up your protein powder with the water. So this will gradually add it into the pot, and you'll get that nice creamy consistency for your oats, rather than just popping in a whole scoop of powder and then trying to mix it in. So that's what I'll do first. I'm just going to add in 1 scoop of the protein, pop it in here, got my Happy Way shaker, shake it up. Now the good thing about the Happy Way shakers is that they've got the little strainer, so if you do shake it and you miss a few lumps, those lumps won't go into your mixture because of the strainer. So that's the first step. So then I've got my pot, and very easily I'm just going to add in my quinoa flakes, my berries, my cinnamon, so as much or as little as you like. And then I'm going to add in my milk, and then I'm going to gradually heat that on the stove, and then as that starts to absorb, I will gradually start to mix in my protein powder.